want to add some details to the rose bush, so I'm gonna mix a little bit of sap green with a tiny bit of burnt umber to make a dark green. I'm just creating the trunk and some branches around the roses just to give a little bit of more realistic touch so they don't look like they're hanging out of nowhere. I'm using the small round brush and a light touch so the branches are not too thick. Adding a little more burnt umber to that same mixture and switching to the script liner. Outlining some of the bricks, not all of it. The secret when you are painting a loose landscape such as this one is to add just a little bit of detail and allow the eye to fill in the gaps. If I try to draw every single brick, it would look a little cartoonish. So when it comes to details in a loose landscape, remember that less is more. Darkening that brown a little bit so I can add little bits here and there to the bricks just to give a little more depth. Softening some of those lines with a little water. And with that same brown mixture, with a little more water added, I'm just putting some details around the door frame. And using the same technique of softening the lines a little bit. I added a little more French ultramarine and burnt umber to make that darker